Hello, and today we're just going to go over how easy it is to get started and create purchase orders in BarSight. After you log in, head to the Accounting tab, and you'll see purchase orders here, and you'll see a screen just like this. If you don't have any vendors set up, the system will prompt you to add a couple just to get going. For this example, I've got a couple already, so let's keep it moving. Let's head to New Purchase. We'll select one of our vendors in the new window. PO number, just letting us know it's going to auto-generate it. If you are entering a purchase that you've already received an invoice for, you can enter in the invoice number here. For now, we're just going to leave it blank and click Create Purchase. On the next window here, we can see our new PO number, 00091, the order date, and over here we can see the vendor invoice number, the payment date. Usually this goes just to the end of the week of what you've ordered. You can choose whichever day that you want the payment to be allocated to be coming out of your bank accounts or credit cards, and the payment type. Here we've got cash, check, credit card, and direct debit. You can add in your own payment types by clicking the payment types button up here. Getting back to adding items to the purchase orders, let's click on the add item button. And for this, let's add a new item that we don't have in our inventory. We're going to call it glassware, 12 ounce. If you have the vendor SKU, you can enter it here. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. For this example, I'm just going to say 1234 is the vendor SKU. The GL account is the general ledger account that you want to allocate this purchase to for your accountant. We're just going to call this one, it's going to be front of house supplies. Quantity, we're going to set it to be 100 at 25 cents a glass. Tax, you can choose any number of tax rates that are applicable to your purchase. We're going to click Combine Sales Tax here and click Add Item. And there we go. We can add as many items as we want. We can add pre-existing items that we may have already had. Let's say on the display banner, you can see it automatically fills in the SKU and the price, the GL, and the taxes because we've already purchased this before. Now that we have all this, you can click Print PO to view a PDF and print that out for yourself, or you can even hit Email Purchase Order and have it be sent to your vendor, as well as a copy to yourself. And just like that, we have a purchase order.